Good morning, children. Let's solve exercise today. We discuss the first question. What is the solution? Rivers and lakes are filled with water, hyacinth. So it's a question asked on the page number 95 in your textbook. You should know the answer. So why the rivers and lakes are filled with water, hyacinth? We see this water hyacinth grow in the rivers and lakes. So what happened? What is the reason for that? So solution is, if organic substances mix with water, okay, due to the industrial pollution and all these, the organic substances supposed to mix with water, there is a growth of water plants like water hyacinth. But when they grow excessively, it causes the problems for the other aquatic organisms. Okay, you see the water hyacinth spread in water. During the daytime, water hyacinth release oxygen, but at night time they too require oxygen. This causes depletion of dissolved oxygen in the water, and hence many other organisms die due to the lack of oxygen. Okay, so this is the reason. Their dead remains to act as a fertilizers, and they help the hyacinth to grow more rapidly in the water. Such a water body gets filled with water hyacinth. In order to save the environment of such a water body, first of all, the water hyacinth should be removed. पता है water hyacinth क्या करते हैं? They release oxygen in daytime, but they use that oxygen in the night. And the water, the oxygen that dissolve in water, and all the aquatic animals that utilize that oxygen for their respiration in the dissolved form, the oxygen which is present in water. But due to the growth of water hyacinth, the quality of water decreases or degrades the oxygen level in the water, and it is harmful for aquatic animals. The aquatic animals die due to less oxygen, and the water hyacinth grows rapidly in the water. So in order to save the environment of such a water body, first of all, the water hyacinth should be removed immediately. This is called eutrophication. So it's a new word. Eutrophication means the level of oxygen in water getting decreases. So care should be taken that no organic pollutants enter this water body. Bunch may be constructed around the lake or a river so that the land pollutants will not be let out in them. So this will arrest the growth of water hyacinth. Okay, so you should take precaution. So this is the reason why. Okay, then next question is use your brain power. So what should happen if no kites or birds are left? What would happen if no kites, matlab birds, are left in a particular region? Which living thing would increase in number, which would decrease? Okay, so kite is a bird of prey. They kill the smaller rodents and birds. They also eat dead and decaying matter. Okay, if kites are not present in nature, then these smaller rodents like animal will increase in the numbers. Okay, so kite is a top predator, and hence it is not the food for others. Thus, even if the kite's number falls, there will be little difference in any other animal's population. You know, in a food chain, one animal is depend on another animals for their existence or for the food. If anyone and any animal that extinct through the food chain, it gives a bad impact on total food chain. Okay, so everything should be in proportionate amount. Okay, so that also gives a bad impact on the environment. So this is the second question. No need to write this answer. Now let's write the another question. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. In that, first question is, what is meant by migration? What is meant by migration? Let's write this answer. When animals move, question number 3. Answer the following questions. Answer the following. Okay. A. What is meant by migration? What is meant by migration? Answer is, when animals move, temporarily or permanently from one place to another, one place to another for feeding or breeding, it is called migration. Is called migration. Write down this answer. Okay, then next question, question number B. Describe the life cycle of birds. Describe the Describe the life cycle. Life cycle of birds. Okay. Answer is birds prefer to stay birds prefer to stay in the natural environment natural environment natural environment of thick vegetation. Thick vegetation. Birds build their nest birds build their nest on the trees the female bird the female bird lays the eggs lays the eggs lays the eggs in the nest and incubate and incubates the eggs for some time till the young ones till the young ones hatch out of the eggs. When the young ones when the young ones develop wings and are able to fly and are able to fly able to fly, they leave the nest and go away from the parents. Okay. So this is the life cycle of board. So write down this answer. Okay, children. So this is about the questions, answers. Next video, we will continue with remaining question answer. So bye everyone.